Hi guys, earlier we learned that an operating system has three main jobs: virtualization, resource management, and protection. And we also saw that it uses four core ideas: virtualization of CPU, virtualization of memory, concurrency, and persistence. Now let's understand each one of them one by one. First is virtualization of CPU. Your computer might have one or a few CPU cores, but it feels like hundreds of programs are running at once. Use Spotify, Chrome, VS Code all together. This is an illusion created by OS. It takes one CPU and shares it between programs so fast that each one of them thinks it has CPU all to itself. And the second one is virtualization of memory. Even though your RAM is limited, the OS makes it look like every program has its own private memory. It does this by giving each process its own virtual address space. And the third one is concurrency. When multiple programs run at the same time, they might also share data, like two apps writing to the same file. OS ensures that this happens safely and in the right order. We'll also learn about some more cool ideas like synchronization and locks, which help prevent data corruption. And the fourth one is persistence. When you turn off your computer, everything in your RAM is lost. So the OS saves the important data to the disk before that happens. It organizes all this data through file system so that your files are safe and ready the next time you start your computer. Now that we have seen the overview of all four core ideas, we'll now dive deep into the first one, which is virtualization of CPU. Imagine this: you have a bunch of programs, and these are the tasks, and the CPU is the actual worker who does the task. And the OS, it's the manager who decides which task gets the CPU next. To make this look like everything running at the same time, the OS ensures that each program gets a small slice of CPU's time. This trick is called time sharing, and the act of pausing one program and starting the another is called context switching. Of course, there is a trade off. As more programs run, the total execution time increases a bit, but the illusion is worth it because it lets your computer multitask smoothly. Finally, to make this work, OS uses some low level machinery like context switching mechanism and high level decisions like which program should get the CPU next or get priority. In our next one, let's start exploring how OS builds this illusion, starting with one of the most fundamental concepts, the process. Thank you. See you in my next one.